2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. Get a fast and easy price quote today.